Enterprise networks rely on reliable routing and switching to ensure secure and efficient communication between systems, users, and applications. That's why the Enterprise Routing and Switching Specialist certification from Juniper Networks is highly respected in the networking industry. This certification validates your skills in routing protocols, switching technologies, and enterprise network design using Juniper solutions. In this video, we'll go through important practice questions for the Juniper Enterprise Routing and Switching Specialist exam, along with explanations to help you understand the key networking concepts tested in the certification. Question 1. Which routing protocol uses link state information to calculate the shortest path? A. RIP, B. OSPF, C. BGP, D. EIGRP. Correct answer, B. OSPF. Explanation: OSPF, Open Shortest Path First, is a link state routing protocol that calculates the best route using the shortest path first algorithm. Question 2. What is the primary purpose of VLANs in switching networks? A. Increase internet bandwidth. B. Segment broadcast domains. C. Replace routers. D. Encrypt network traffic. Correct answer, B. Segment broadcast domains. Explanation: VLANs allow network administrators to logically divide a network into multiple broadcast domains, improving security and network performance. Question 3. Which routing protocol is commonly used between autonomous systems on the Internet? A. OSPF, B. RIP, C. BGP, D. ACLs. Correct answer, C. BGP. Explanation: Border Gateway Protocol, BGP, is the primary routing protocol used to exchange routing information between autonomous systems on the Internet. Question 4. Which device primarily operates at Layer 2 of the OSI model? A. Router, B. Firewall, C. Switch, D. Load balancer. Correct answer, C. Switch. Explanation: Switches operate at Layer 2 data link layer and forward frames using MAC addresses. Question 5. What is the purpose of spanning tree protocol in a switched network? A. Improve routing speed. B. Prevent Layer 2 loops. C. Encrypt network traffic. D. Manage VLANs. Correct answer, B. Prevent Layer 2 loops. Explanation: STP prevents broadcast storms and network loops by blocking redundant paths in switched networks. Question 6. What is a key characteristic of static routing? A. Routes update automatically. B. Routes are manually configured. C. Routes require dynamic protocols. D. Routes depend on BGP. Correct answer, B. Routes are manually configured. Explanation: Static routes are manually configured by administrators and do not update automatically like dynamic routing protocols. Question 7. Which technology improves redundancy in enterprise networks? A. Load balancing. B. Redundant links and routing protocols. C. Disabling VLANs. D. Static IP addressing. Correct answer, B. Redundant links and routing protocols. Explanation: Redundancy ensures network availability by providing alternative paths if a link fails. Question 8. What is the primary function of a routing table? A. Store MAC addresses. B. Track application traffic. C. Determine the best path for packets. D. Monitor user activity. Correct answer, C. Determine the best path for packets. Explanation: Routers use routing tables to determine the optimal path for forwarding packets to their destination networks. Question 9. Why is subnetting used in enterprise networks? A. Increase wireless coverage. B. Improve network organization and address management. C. Encrypt data packets. D. Replace routers. Correct answer, B. Improve network organization and address management. Explanation: Subnetting divides a network into smaller logical segments, improving efficiency and security. Question 10. What is the primary purpose of access control lists, ACLs in networking? A. Manage VLANs. B. Filter network traffic. C. Configure routing protocols. D. Monitor hardware performance. Correct answer, B. Filter network traffic. Explanation: ACLs control which traffic is allowed or denied based on defined rules, improving network security. These questions are great for helping you understand networking concepts and the exam format. However, for complete Juniper Enterprise Routing and Switching Specialist exam preparation, you need access to the full set of real exam-style questions. All questions are available on studyforexam.com. Visit now and start preparing for your certification. And if you want Part 2 with more Juniper Enterprise Routing and Switching Specialist exam practice questions, comment Part 2 below. Good luck with your Juniper networking certification.